Everyone's arguing about whether AI will take your job. Meanwhile, regular people are quietly using it to make an extra $1,000 to $5,000 a month on the side. Here are the 5 best AI side hustles right now. And number 3 requires zero experience. Quick promise before we start. No hype and no 10 grand overnight nonsense. Everything on this list can be started this week with a laptop and under $50 in tools. For each one, I'll cover what it is, how to start, and what you can realistically earn. Let's get into it. Number 1, AI-assisted freelance writing. Businesses still need blog posts, product descriptions, and email campaigns. And AI writing tools let you draft them in minutes instead of hours. Your job isn't to copy-paste AI text, it's to edit, fact-check, and add a human voice because that's what clients actually pay for. To start, pick one niche, say real estate or fitness, create 3 polished samples, and list your service on Upwork or Fiverr while pitching a few local businesses directly. Realistically, beginners land $200 to $500 a month within the first couple of months, and established writers charge $50 to $150 per article. Done part-time, $1,000 to $2,000 a month is very achievable. Number 2, faceless YouTube channels. And yes, you're literally watching one right now. AI writes the script, text-to-speech handles the narration, and AI video generators create the visuals, so you never show your face or buy a camera. The key is picking a niche with proven demand, finance, history, tech explainers, and publishing consistently. Aim for 1 to 2 videos a week, and don't judge your results before 30 videos. Income starts slow, but once you hit monetization, established faceless channels commonly earn $500 to $5,000 a month from ads alone, before affiliate links and sponsorships. It's the slowest burn on this list, but it compounds like nothing else. Number 3, the zero experience one, selling AI-made digital products. Think printable planners, wall art, journals, and templates generated with AI image tools, polished in a free editor like Canva, and sold on Etsy or Gumroad. There's no inventory, no shipping, and no client deadlines. Start by researching what already sells in a category you like, create your own original spin on it, never copy, and list 20 to 30 products because volume is what gets you discovered. Most sellers make their first $100 within a month or two, and steady shops bring in $300 to $1,500 a month in mostly passive income. Number 4, AI automation services for local businesses. Dentists, salons, gyms, and restaurants lose money every single day to missed calls and unanswered messages, and you can fix that with no-code tools. Set up AI chatbots that answer common questions, missed call text-back systems, and automatic review responses. You don't need to code. You need to learn one automation stack and repeat it. Master the setup once, then walk into or email 10 local businesses offering a free demo. Typical pricing is a few $100s for setup, plus $100 to $300 a month per client to maintain it. Just 5 clients puts you over $1,000 a month in recurring income. Number 5, AI-powered video clipping. Podcasters and streamers sit on hours of long content and desperately need it turned into shorts, reels, and TikToks. AI clipping tools now find the best moments, add captions, and reframe everything to vertical in minutes. You just curate and polish. To start, pick 3 creators you actually watch, make 5 free sample clips for each, and send them over with a simple offer. Clippers typically charge $10 to $50 per clip, and editors on a monthly retainer with 2 or 3 clients earn $1,000 to $3,000 a month. It's one of the fastest hustles on this list for landing your first paying client. So that's the list. AI writing, faceless YouTube, digital products, business automation, and video clipping. Don't try all 5. Pick the one that fits your skills and give it 30 focused days. If you want a full step-by-step breakdown of any of these, comment the number below. And if this saved you hours of research, subscribe. It's free, it takes 2 seconds, and there's a new AI income breakdown every week.